Let us start our English class with our chapter 1, and the chapter 1 is about noun. So what is a noun? Simple. If we simply want to understand the noun is a name. Okay, noun is a name. There are several parts of speech. Among them, the noun is one. There are 8 in numbers. The part of speech are 8 in numbers: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjunction. Okay, so if you know how to handle these, grammar does not become a problem. Okay, grammar is not a problem. Learning grammar is a very easy thing. So let us start with our noun. So what is a noun? Okay, there are 8 parts of speech, and first one is among them is noun. Okay, kinds of noun. Now we learn about how many kinds of noun we have. Number 1 is common noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person of thing of same class of kind. Okay, जिसको हिंदी में जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं ना, तो वो होती है कॉमन नाउन. ओके, जैसे कि जिसको कि तुम किसी भी समूह के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, किसी भी, और वो नाम कॉमन होता है किसी भी पर्सन या थिंग या क्लास के लिए. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि प्रोफेसर, जैसे कि class. Okay, because we are not particularly talking about any person or any class or any student. Okay, now we are talking about anyone. We are not talking about particularly any specific person. Okay, so that is called as common noun. ठीक है. Next one is the proper noun. Proper noun is about any proper name or particular person or particular place. Proper noun is like Ram, Shyam, Lata, okay, or Delhi or any. So proper noun is about particular one person. Okay, particular any person or in person. We can include both the genders. Okay, so that is called as proper noun. Okay, so here you have to remember one rule, that proper noun is always written with a capital letter. Like the capital of Bihar is Patna. Okay, the capital of Bihar is Patna. So in this sentence we will write down Bihar, 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 and in Bihar B would be capital, and in Patna P would be capital. Okay, so we have to write down the proper noun in capital letters. Okay, then sometimes we can use a proper noun as a common noun. Like Nilesh is the Gandhiji of our class. Although the Gandhiji is a proper noun, but here we are using Gandhiji as a common noun. ठीक है, that Nilesh is the Gandhiji of our class. Here Gandhiji does not mean Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. The word here stands for the possessor of the qualities that Gandhiji is most known for: truth and non-violence. Okay, Nilesh stands out among his classmates because he practices truth and non-violence. So Gandhiji here does mean the man acting on the principle of truth and non-violence. This should be visible in our original sentence. Gandhiji is being used as a common noun. समझे आप? यानी कि गांधी जी को यहाँ पे हम एक ऐसे किसी व्यक्ति विशेष के रूप में नहीं देख रहे हैं, बल्कि उनको एक प्रतीक के रूप में देख रहे हैं। किस चीज़ का प्रतीक है गांधी जी? सत्य और अहिंसा का। तो नीलेश अगर सत्य और अहिंसा के रास्ते पर चल रहा है तो नीलेश इस क्लास का गांधी जी है। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कि गांधी जी को हम कॉमन नाउन की तरह यूज़ कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, ओके।